Hi guys, we are going hiking today and I wanted to really quick for you unbox the two keto snack boxes that we got in the mail. This one is from the Keto Box company and the other one is from my Keto Snack Box. This is going to be a very quick video because it's misting and we don't want to get soaking wet. We stopped to go on our hike. So here we go. The Keto Box monthly subscription. Anybody can subscribe to it and you get this monthly and it's pretty cool. So first we have some paperwork, coupons, looks like a quality coffee, crunchy cheese lovers snacks. Oh my gosh, fat snack cookies. These are fantastic. Absolutely love fat snack cookies. Sugar-free peanut brittle. Oh wow. A beef jerky that I was actually really excited to try. Somebody recommended this company to me and told me I would not be disappointed. So I'm very excited to have the sample. That would be the foghorn. Nude spice. That's cool. We'll have to look and see what it's for seasoning for. Honest Company maple syrup. A must-have when you're keto and you like your breakfast. Almond butter. And these are all pretty big size samples. And it is habanero heat pistachios. So this is actually a really good box. Oh, there's one more thing hiding. Ooh, a jalapeno lime beef stick. That's cool. All right, we'll take this one on the trail with us, okay? Shove this back in here and get to the other box for you guys. Okay, moving on to the My Keto Snack Box. Presentation is this is the first time we've ever opened it, so this is how it comes. We have an Ultima sample pack for hydration, electrolytes, carne seca, more beef jerky, parm crisps, smashed pork rinds to use as breadcrumbs. That's actually kind of cool. Hazelnut flavor, that's what it says. Not hot drink flavoring. Foghorn again. Paleo protein bar. This is glazed donut flavor. Two more beef jerky sticks. And onion garlic flex crackers. So both boxes are pretty interesting because this video is quick. I'm not going to go over the ingredients yet. I'm going to question a few things just from looking at them that they might have some questionable keto ingredients, but we can get into that later. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And there will be a lot more coming. Leave some comments of what you'd like us to go over next. Thank you.